Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Lexus key card. This innovative card provides a seamless way to interact with your vehicle, offering a modern and convenient alternative to a bulky key fob. It's designed to be incredibly thin, about the size of a standard credit card, making it perfect for slipping into your wallet or a small purse. You can use it for all essential functions, including securing and starting your Lexus, ensuring you always have access. Unlocking and locking your Lexus with the key card is incredibly straightforward. To unlock, just approach your vehicle with the card in hand and hold it close to the driver's door handle. The car's smart system will detect the card's signal, typically within a range of a few inches, and unlock the doors automatically. To lock your vehicle, you can either touch the door handle again or, if your card has one, press the dedicated lock button. Starting your Lexus with the key card is just as simple. Once inside your vehicle, you'll need to place the key card in a specific location. This is usually a small slot found in the center console or, in some models, simply holding it near the engine start/stop button is sufficient. The car's system will then verify the card's signal. With your foot on the brake, press the engine start/stop button and your Lexus will smoothly come to life. To ensure your Lexus key card continues to function perfectly, here are a few important tips. Always store your card in a safe and secure place, such as your wallet, to prevent it from being lost or damaged. It's also wise to protect it from environmental extremes, like very high temperatures or powerful magnetic fields, which could affect its electronics. The card contains a small battery, usually a coin cell, which provides power for several years before needing a simple replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.